Welcome to Learn English with Stories Daily. Today is English listening practice for beginners. You will learn 10 useful words for a hotel. And then follow Sarah as she checks into her hotel in London. Stay to the end for the quiz. Let's begin. If you do not understand every word, do not worry. You can listen to the story many times. The more you listen, the more English you will learn. Reception. The reception is the place where you check in at a hotel. Repeat after me. Reception. Reception. Receptionist. The receptionist is the person who works at the reception. Repeat after me. Receptionist. Receptionist. Reservation. A reservation is a room you booked before you arrive. Repeat after me. Reservation. Reservation. Key card. A key card is a small card that opens your door. Repeat after me. Key card. Key card. Lift. A lift takes you up and down in a building. Repeat after me. Lift. Lift. Floor. A floor is one level of a building. Repeat after me. Floor. Floor. Room number. Your room number tells you which room is yours. Repeat after me. Room number. Room number. Breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal in the morning. Repeat after me. Breakfast. Breakfast. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the internet without wires. Repeat after me. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Checkout. Checkout is the time you leave the hotel. Repeat after me. Checkout. Checkout. Well done. Now let's listen to today's story. Sarah walks into the Rose Hotel. The hotel is warm and quiet. She feels happy to be here. She walks to the reception. A kind receptionist smiles at her. Good evening. Welcome to the Rose Hotel, says the receptionist. Good evening, says Sarah. I have a reservation. What is your name, please? My name is Sarah. Wonderful. Here is your key card, says the receptionist. It opens your door. Thank you, says Sarah. What is my room number? Your room number is 305. It is on the 3rd floor. How do I get to the 3rd floor? Asks Sarah. The lift is over there on your right, says the receptionist. It will take you up. Thank you. And what time is breakfast? Breakfast is from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock every morning. Lovely, says Sarah. One more question. Is there Wi-Fi in the room? Yes, says the receptionist. The Wi-Fi password is on your key card. Thank you so much. You are very kind, says Sarah. You are welcome. Checkout is at 11 o'clock on your last day. Enjoy your stay. Sarah takes her key card and her luggage. She walks to the lift. She goes up to the 3rd floor. She finds room 305. She opens the door with her key card. The room is clean and warm. There is a big soft bed by the window. Sarah smiles. My first night in London, she says. She is very tired but very happy. If you are enjoying the story, tell me in the comments, what is your favorite thing in a hotel room? Now, let's listen to the story again, slowly. Sarah walks into the Rose Hotel. The hotel is warm and quiet. She goes to the reception. A kind receptionist smiles at her. Sarah says she has a reservation. She gives her name. The receptionist finds her reservation. She gives Sarah a key card. Sarah's room number is 305. It is on the 3rd floor. Sarah takes the lift. Breakfast is at 7 o'clock. The Wi-Fi password is on her key card. Checkout is at 11 o'clock. Sarah opens her door. The room is clean and warm. She is tired but very happy. Now, let's check your understanding. Question number 1. Which hotel is Sarah staying at? Think about it. The answer is the Rose Hotel. Question number 2. What did the receptionist give Sarah to open her door? Think about it. The answer is a key card. Question number 3. What floor is Sarah's room on? Think about it. The answer is the 3rd floor. Question number 4. What is Sarah's room number? Think about it. The answer is 305. Question number 5. What time does breakfast start? Think about it. The answer is 7 o'clock. How many did you answer correctly? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Stories Daily. Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, small steps create big progress. Tomorrow, Sarah goes downstairs for her first English breakfast. That is our next story. See you there.